And hello guys, welcome back to my journey, and for today's video, samahan nyo po ako na ipakita sa inyo kung paano po namin ginawa ang preparation namin para sa nagdaang Sinulog Festival 2024 dito po sa Hong Kong. At kung bago ka sa akin channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para po lagi kang updated sa ating bagong videos. And yun guys, pag sinabi nating Sinulog Festival, of course hindi po dyan mawawala ang ating mga banderitas. Syempre, fiesta po ng ating mahal na Santo Niño ng Cebu sa ating nakaugalian. Pag may fiesta, syempre magaganda talaga at makukulay ang ating mga decorations. Matagal na po namin ginawa yung aming mga ginawang invitations, bali back last few months pa dahil sa mga preparations para sa aming mga magiging program and sa aming mga certificates. Of course, lahat po ng mga nag-join or magjo-join sa aming Sinulog Festival is of course magkakaroon po ng Certificate of Appreciations galing po sa aming grupo, which is ang Santo Niño Crusaders Group ang nag-organize po ng Sinulog Festival dito po sa Holy Family Parish Church dito sa Hong Kong. Nandiyon sa tulong po ng ating mga kapatid, of course, si kapatid Mabel and of course si Yang, which is Arlene Arceta, na gumawa po ng ating standee. Kahit na hindi po siya nag-day off this event, is nagawa po niya ang aming standee at kami na lang po ang nag-cutting at para ito ay tumayo. Bali, yearly na po namin nakaugalian na gawin or i-organize ang Sinulog dito sa Hong Kong. Bali, dumating ako dito is 2015. First na witness ko is 2016. Na-witness ko yung first Sinulog dito and talaga po naman na para ka na rin nagpunta ng Cebu para umattend ng Sinulog dahil po talagang ginagawa po talagang lahat ng organizers na maging as in colorful at maging almost pwede na rin na as in magawa natin yung talagang nakaugalian na nating i-celebrate na Sinulog Festival. With the team Magnet of Love in the Synodal Church, ang amin pong magiging speaker is si Reverend Father Natalius Sorianto, SVD. With our host, ang amin pong MC is si kapatid Aprilyn Ayuban. And of course, isa po sa ating program is ang Mob Dance. Ang Mob Dance, which is we have 13 communities here, Filipino communities here in the parish na magkakaroon ng presentation or sasabay-sabay tayong magkakaroon ng street dancing na tinatawag natin para po sa pagpupuri sa ating mahal na Santo Niño. Kasama po of course ng 13 communities is ang ating mga Reyna. Meron din po tayo na 13 Queen Festival na magkakaroon po ng dance showdown mamaya. Medyo nahirapan tayo mga ka-journey na patuyuin yung babaeng standee natin. Hindi ko alam kung paano siya itatayo. Pero yung lalaki madali lang kasi isang stand lang yun is tumayo na. Itong babae kasi syempre nakapalda siya so nakaslant ng konti. Kaya kailangan natin ng dalawang tungkod. And next naman natin ginawa is itong 2024. Of course, hindi mawawala dahil sinulog 2024 na ngayon. So, in 2024 na to, na ginawa namin is ginamit namin nung New Year celebration. Tinanggal lang namin yung lobo, pero ang plano namin dito is talagang lobo. Hindi ko lang alam, nagkaroon ng hassle na wala yung mga lobo na binili namin. Hindi ko alam kung nasaan napalagay.
Find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.